ye amagana akoso enra ye no kan say China for any Japan for omo wo adwempo bi omo de ye adwuma ni nyina ne se omedi no kra ma omo ho na omaye omo nyoma yi China ni wo China enioma bi wo ho a ontimi nye but China ni ba Ghana ha obeye efri se when who say ye mamre no esoso sabi enioma bone so yagye atum enti Ghana ni support ma broni de bia oye de ope die enti na meka sa asewi enioma mienu ne mpese meka first of all eye pampers minim sa dodo na wo motoye nya advert mo bia batenya aba na yebedi kan bo Ashanti security coordinators na abaso na omaye adwuma Captain Jabari ene Tapsoba ene regional minister team ni nyina na date ne kan wasem
national
over Facebook aye de ato behwe thanks to the hard working personnel sa omuwo Ashanti Regional Security Coordinating Council ometimi obi di na ho odin akwakoye pampers soft care eno no wabɔ ho ka no na kwabrane akwakotwa bi agum me so bra Facebook na behwe enti me paacho enkwada no sesei yeto pampers ne diapers ma wo mu no enkrofo bi atwa bi agum kyerɛ sɛ ɛho nsɛm no aye bebre na mami update more on this one.
So Nana, that information no National Security Ashanti Region Coordinator omo yes RSC na from the information that we've been able to gather no omo LA ambush there's almost a 10 nipa omo information say na nipa bi omo smuggle some fake diapers diapers na nasa dia ye de bon kole omo producing under a known brand name. Enti brand bi din and omo ye fake ones omo twa fake ones and omo de back country nim according to information omo nya no free Nigeria and omo de be wura Ghana na omo beton enti omo lay ambush ewo Asafo area ho baby about 2 weeks ago na ho na nipa ndi eba ye senka omo beyi
wow
e de aba
omo beyi se na ewo kan mu ana
say ye the track kese ene dia free baby ene aba ye be offload wo Ghana akogu warehouse ni abeton kakaka ewo yedwane so okwa sa known brand ya ewo kroma amanfo ton eno pepe no maye ohun enti yetwa obi packaging rubber or the packaging yetwa no bi ena yetwa sa diaper yi ene di nyina agum ya packaging disania ukokroma we no etie na pepe enti okwa onim say oabo we din say meto asomasi brand anase brand we no na saa nipa no omayi saa fake ones no amon akọ ntiamafo be fa ekogu om shops any ade ekoton under saa brand names enti national security for enya information no and omu tailor saa vehicle na ede we ebe wrem no na one apart from say saa fake no information according to national security Child bia ye de bono o say se be ma genital no ho oba genital ni nyina ho nenam so ade a enye quality ekọ ho a e betumi affect nipa ne daache
obo your bar problem or your be ma obo yes wontime nwo obie omo warehouse okumase hana
now investigation koso omuguso yes investigation but encompass omunya the source nipa na okra de na nkasa ba no I don't know a problem ama national security for no say
no mo so mo define
almost say it came through our borders land borders some the far from and you drive it into the country
and borders na kire say e fa ba bia immigration ho
it could be say for bia immigration one say your borders are very porous so there are some areas immigration no adding say immigration betimi the money ahwe immigration customs no there are some areas because me am a bui area how be on say hono be border no so there are a lot of unauthorized routes among for the name Ghana de bia
wow
our borders are very porous enti na etimi boama sa niam say ne etimi di wura country ni be na epe.
Is so my anything, sir? Fake ones. In fact, Mpacho, for the sake of education, no, a soft care brand, no, and will be a trebia gum. Soft care brand, I think it's on McBrown, and ne baby that's one called for title panel, and will be a faker. Thanks to the Ashanti Regional Security Coordinating Council for no, and I just say, Ometimi Ajia. This is my anything.
As I said, there on say Kumasi or baby a deposit is an na ye bola baby a decono. Their co was saying and sa products on Mojana about 2 weeks ago, a good national security for office or Ashanti region, a regional coordinating council for a long time now. Obian Timian show up. I'm because a Niamani and Diano. The alcohol FDA for your assessment. And we say Sanyamonia and meet standard away country in a fake. And the coho and in Macoseno. And it is Sabach in there, Yaseno. But I want to so many women say, still a big market. Because I'm not sure that this is the first time I Nipandi Biba.
That's the point.
And I said this will be the last time. So watching 2 weeks ago, it's Scout Nipan Sama. What's another consignment?
And it's likely so the beer bar and San
and a young way.
Yeah.
Because already not too long ago, my name a camera technician, your call it to call baby, auto product be a drink. Oh no, my products no the colors now design, the colors are too bright. Because on say the product I will use watch no
for the sake of education for the sake of education
brand na label na ebo na and as a senior yes design is it no too bright and this is our design na de bia ehunu no
drinking so e bibi
drinking so na any put too much the color na too bright
and normal
and me product no we show product and say this is a fake product and also me to cry driver na no kan ho e kan ho no o hwegu cap no driver na ka say we dey a pidodo it means that product one no it could be that say obi ye fake ones
etwifam
at the bar market water enti send you see din command there it looks like from an air code there was a name be able to be a
problem they say ye kra na ya kenkan kakra no ebede kwa no atimi ehu that's the danger ebede no atimi
too difficult because
and there are a lot of these substandard products and one say wo kwa ye the amount e maybe kra energy drink ba ku bi a standard obi animi me ya na me ye na say na we dey ni no so we Nigeria dey ni bia na say
yes more to cry there are a lot of Nigeria ba ku say Nigeria there obusam say we free ha ani nyina market ayeto because malt ebo ho a obeto bi no na dodo
we say sugar nkon
asa won no sugar
bro so ba ku bia na say na me no na bro so I had to let it go because enye ne aminim no
ewo
taste be brace
and on a more serious note I didn't more can very serious because a polystyrene or this fake ones a day ban the risk of say a cause cancer
my mattress now but we are just talking about
yes but labor a FDA any Ghana Standards Authority ɛdeɛ so far baby a yɛdri nana consumers any particular access to say obetumi authenticate product with a short code as of now say yet Ghana yesi akoye nimu ye ni short code wa obetumi abo product bi din akọ ama etimi ama wo information say product we ebia enye ana FDA kra
na me so scan visit by there
me scan na de ama me fa unsui na me scan we no makata ho pa na me scan here there for you free so
it means it's not that this one but it means that the sticker no
the sticker no encode but they be or wako register product no all right or produce but the real code na say or they register all the time you know maybe I expect any panel register
no but there was obi encode wo ho a uyu so ebetimi aye
you know it should be done before it comes out on the market because enon means that me metimi the authenticate sa product say nokre another nokre mama nka say be just Monday obi the product be ade be free outside abuchi ebreme me je na ba you scan it to the website of the company straight mo say oh ade amato ide the papa and I say nya the papa
it gives you direct information about sadie no and yet the me who products be bria you enter the market some say that scanning we the example no okwa wo be scan and the thing wouldn't work just because the SAB or ye na adwuma whoever it is as well Nejuma technical officer man no me go in place my system need to me recognize it all the time so deal we in this system it doesn't work that way
this issue
you need short code crash so will be as be when you use smartphone able to me crash send it there then it will give the information back say be start so and so ubokwa at the amount we don't have it as of now
baby I remember say FDA cry yes adi
omo de eno de no nana for drugs ebia product now person auto no ubokwa that particular drug information no cry or the Emma one and too much detail. So we say we are just if you are are registered with FDA and also on register with FDA. Now those products no just you know what they are. Now we have a problem.
All right.
There should be a dignified short code be. And now barcode no it should work effectively. Bebre wo fake products here nyakwa because we will check 1 2 3 and 5 or so. I don't know
my mattress no because what never start to also to identify some of these we just one day you be the near komu Ghana Standard Authority funds and
na omo de no kra no is about monitoring only adeno.
All right.
Yen support to more. We know the problems and the challenges of the FDA and Ghana Standards Authority.
Young mattress, no. The second one, I can want a mattress. Mattress be was system ni ma. Ye told the coffee. Ye told you so a fake. Make a mattress ye timidi yempa. Mattress ye timidi akunya. Mattress ye timidi pillow ni nasefono. Same crofobin so Ghana ha. Omu chebia. Enye papa. Adienu so mudi ye yenunso nye papa. Nana ya Ujima, ye senior correspondent. Wakwa yes investigation. Ye pesi ye huoba Facebook campacho. Be share sa de we nama wani na ho. Na akọ na ade na efo a. Unsa wo da ewu so. Ti wo da mattress bi na wo so da ya we say problem. Nana we no say the mattress we ye de.
Nana areho because mattresses no the information that you gather no and I say you free Ghana Standard Authority they say no my identify mattresses be oha. Enya papa I produce in Ghana ha on our market.
China phone in a woman.
Exactly. Sa shops no mko na say baby mko production houses no. Na China for Chinese owned.
Hey.
But these products no already buy a market na so anipa egusu a omoton. Enti na adwuma ye pese ye ne say ye koye market ne so. Ne ye kohwe say indeed sa niema bi wo ho a amanfo eto ana say ye ton ema consumers a ye so to kofia. Na information I nya say polystyrene and no more ye sa mattress yi akoko aye polystyrene ho adwuma kakra nti but the manu see memo no so read the effect of polystyrene on our health. Now information say those mattresses no them polystyrene no enya dia eboa nipa ene yahomegye mu yi enti ye da so a yetiminya infections ebitiminya skin irritation crowd ebo ho so a oda so a otiminya
ka ubi na
exactly
mattress ni bi ni
material no polystyrene no say net here say na polystyrene materials na esitie ani nyina enti omo ye ni see a no mo de sa covering no akọtu
enti wo so hu
okọ market for instance na me call market no over the when each baby a ton mattresses pa kuma say ye baby a ton mattress pa Roman Hill mattresses are just super almost all of the shops now aligning up Roman Hill free as say e cost ni nyina mattresses no moton na okọ sa brands here enim say enya papa wo market say metimi abo mu ebi class because so Ghana Standard Authority for no I'm making the public say all those ones are not good.
Okay,
if it be Bright Home
mbajo tie we ye mattress e what system ni mu a Ghana buy ama Ghana Standard Authority for 2 million no omo say sa mattress ya China for eye ma Ghana ye cotton no sa brand we wuti a eye fake enya papa ba ko ye den
Bright Home
a mattress.
I know a mattress. I to.
Okay.
Your friend if I call Munda. Ninya high density mattresses. Sana ya label or more market.
High density ni the eso.
Na say e mo do. Na say oda it's supposed to be a minimum on some mattress but na minimum we dey high density.
Na dey anya no na ya na hotel for you too. Guest house.
Baby na used to be. Baby na used to be.
Baby are waiting me.
E mo dey do.
Eh, so what that's what I say.
Cultural say orthopedic no.
There be a way the that's what I plywood so.
Exactly. Your friend if you been so Munda
ni spelling say
Moonda.
Moonda. Okay.
Munda. 7 star so ho. 7 star.
7 star. But the mattress no.
Even this 7 star no. Oko some of the malls that work Kumasi ha. They are stocking them. Picture here that screen is say no. Which are no one of the malls Kumasi ha. 7 star. I want on mall.
7 star ni.
7 star ni.
Nti we sa mattress e Kumasi ha.
Kumasi ha.
Aye ton. 7 star.
7 star.
Omo de sa de ni bi na aye. Aye China for no ye no.
Exactly.
Ba wo kwa wo hu because ya cover.
Na ebede no hu na say yan cover ho kra. Wo uni sa knowledge and say uni sa adwen na onyansa na odi hu say we aye mattress aye de polystyrene any kwan say de mattress aye no. And e de aye aba market. And you obviously obeto.
Wow.
And a Calusini. And also a marketer.
And also a mattress.
And also now aside from Sanyama we are Standard Authority at the Aba out no. Me investigation whom some of the materials I produce bino. Me refer to Standard Authority say we see on the material we end up producing it no. Is it the quality material also they mattress na. But could be a friend of rock foam. And also nyapapa.
Hey,
and look at there me koya could draw mo warehouse. Kumasi ha. Rock foam. Omo warehouse Kumasi ha. Omo de yes sir. Omo de stock it. Sir rock foam and some more.
And Nhyira so China for ya.
Nhyira China for. Rock foam their distribution chain no one meet you Chinese. And I'm sure.
And sana Ghana for no.
And sana Ghana for omo market. Omo tong. And there are even malls. Very big malls. Almost stocking some of these foams are any quality and in your market. Hey. And interestingly, Nana Oko marketer, one now what tons are products. I don't know, say they are trying to be evasive and I say omunim say enye and omoton. Two things. Either say omunim no moton and I say omunim say enye and omoton. Because me koye no me pose say obi am pesa me top mattress. Enti mumuame. So they took me through mattresses ni nyina. I say omo classes. And as our class apart from class I'm say inches. Mo de tons mattress ni nyina. At a point na obi convince me say me top 7 star ni bi. And me pose say mattress say ebu ho a foam bo ho a enye quality materials, substandard materials no mo de ye. Ono chem say onya we but even say the substandard material na eye bia sa na won chem say mentone de it's of high quality. Me to say in fear du kra na me yama de say meto mattress I can use it. And or convince me say this is a top product on the market. Mention na mentobi na me ko use no fie
7 star no.
Enti nana odru hon so a ode onsa so 7 star nim and I say any of the products am bodin wo afidie so a
but you say bodin bim
Bright Home, Munda, 7-star, Calusini,
and I can't buy Kubinso.
And Rock Foam. I don't saw any of these products. Now don't saw near a name say from olden days, the quality mattresses on the market. I don't saw Enumunsua. Nina, you don't find the difference.
Wow.
Enti uko market sell kota idea. There's no way so be a way over to differentiate the quality ones from the substandard ones.
Hey. Na dey na Ghana on say na make say China nka we nye omu nyina nka betwa omu tie.
We mu nyina nka beku.
But we metie eyede no timi ba ha. Are we saying say omu nya we who checks who?
And how are they even importing these things onto the market? Because for instance, we have polystyrene, white one, and the packaging for Yaduane. I'm friend is saying take away bowls. But no cry, even the take away bowls no cry. According to Ghana Standard Authority, no. Sir, take away bowls no cry.
Dangerous. And they are advising say
and Moka say your standard they yes take away bowls. It is always some material required. There are some additives in there, maybe also the can ones and they take away bowls. But how sure are we that same Chinese here almost produces these take away bowls? No, they are going by the standards.
Yeah, and
these two things are you diapers no, any foam no, mattresses na on market no. Say there are a lot of products on the market. You used to including a dinner. Any standard, we are not supposed to use them.
Sure.
But the mattress is where I get it onto the market. Diapers be so I get it onto the market. It means that there is more on the market. What's a BNE?
Yeah.
Whenever we go to the market, including the bigger malls.
Yeah.
And the bigger shops.
You see, the point is that
everywhere.
Mattress yenyina yenim de akofa se ayefe ana sabi aye competition enti se bia meto akese ya yenim dadai na no ye 1000 na we di mama 600 no se ye papa meto we
and we no so
who different
we no so efo
na we check na
ade ba kwa na all can na make a polystyrene na ehu say on say e ga say ja to fie mu e hye eyese ya nana chese ade eja to mu aho
highly
said petrol wo de petrol akaja no
ade na ye
kan say wo mattress we bi ba miensa wo dem na nyame amfa fie na da eja beto dem no said ye say hwie petrol gu janim
ade no mu de ye
nti said ye wo hwie petrol gu janim polystyrene etomu said eja na nana de ehu ni say we eja tom kura no a ehye no ewisie na ekosoro nipa ni nyina ehu ano nti fire service for kura no mo ye mbobo wo mu hu ano the higher you say be cause cancer no enya asem ketwa wo high probability say bitimi cause cancer na carcinogenic effect wo no enya asem ketwa na oda so keke no kura no a ohumi mu mframa onso okoto mattress for fra wote cent bi ene no ma wo dem ho se wote cent no sa na o mani nyina ekọ mu nyina no eye wo ha
8 hours na woda
so no a wo hu ehu a ekọ no ntina emo mu respiratory tract issues no sanse sa de na ewura mu nyina etimi ma eduru ba bi bo se ase kata achew eduru ba bi bo se o minimu ye oya na o nhyeda wo hu nhyeda anya wo sa ade we ya na ade ewu mu ne se ebetumi kra ma nkrofo anya asthma effect what lungs no so na di obu aya amfa anwo no na me say na obi hu ana some of these chemicals exposed here because they cause lung problems ebetumi ya mankrofo anya asthma anya ade say bi kura na genetic na ye
de Mesa Baso mamene Dr. Samuel Frimpong ono ye Ghana Standard Authority Ashanti Region Director entwetwe Commodore. Good morning Onuya na ho te say ye kasa ya che
yes o nyame ado.
Right. But I remember the last time I knew Dinkomona me were at that time. I remember. And you see, this issue, I don't know who to blame, but I didn't think I would say AC at all. Is it that Ghana Standard and no near strong and I'm a challenge in Tina Sanyoma wait me see a copim say chile and ye baby who because we share 2 case studies here. Back with a diaper. and the diaper you can't say diaper see obi a ye ne brand soft care obi atwa bi aguma ansa ne yakwa akwakoche no o hwe mattress yi aseme aye kan ete say wo market ni ma ya twa ansa ne ye baba be hu ye wo drink bi wo ho a energy drinker ba ko ye standard ba ko no to abon se difference wom and there are many of such here obi timi ka say we in Nigeria there we say I'm just asking standard authority adwuma na bromoso and I said then because there are certain countries it cannot happen in Timbesembusa the air na ekoso no what's the challenge
yo me that I cannot say na mentia wona mentia ye tiefo nso cannot say na men ka say adwuma no e aguso but there are challenges all right but any challenges I say yentimi nye adwuma no say ya enye Ghana standards of the say ya nye adwuma bia anka by now e bia niama e wo ye market so yentimi sta and yentimi kra ntina ha because niama ye from product every amanoni ye hwe ansana aba ye dwaman so apart from that so ye nkrofo air core market akọ check say market way product air was so ni nyina meet standard na some of these things and I am most at a year say BB is substandard and I enye substandard at times we rely on Intel to say ABA full mattress asemi ebi obia a raise concern ohun say BB sheha ebi omo ye no kokora say BB secretly na obia be complain amaye then and no quickly then we move and see meka say we are doing the work and adwuma no nso eso but eno ntre say abo afire so ayentimi ye say yentimi ye anka by now Ghana Majidi say
I understand but I mean these issues they be fibia eba. For example, I'm minim say adwuma na eden Intel mo de be adwuma. First of all, maybe some share more coordination with the immigration officers and answer immigration department, because I'm wondering, say, first of all, ni pay say yes soft care ya a fake. Obi di atwa gum any mattress ya nipa ye no. E come market. Obi ko hokoje sika. Aban be ko akoje eto. Ghana Revenue Authority for beko amana ko it so oye legitimate business. And so we don't have any tracking system within the value chain ana.
Saying I work it means a collaboration no ho but it could be say bia say shemukina. Wow. Collaboration in immigration for to me call out bia bibi sia some Intel be na ye ni omo e ko akoshe. And we have to do more. But what we are doing is say work about factory obi ye manufacturing way. Even though mrano I can say once you are producing in Ghana you have to go through certification. I say yeah Ghana no ye per se ye boy home aban ye boy home ban in that way say to protect the consumer. So ya shemrano say Ghana Standards Authority say or the ejuma we maye wow but mrana obia wono media ebia Ghana Standards Authority started from her and end over here na obinso afa from that end at the echo and the thing I think collaboration ebia ye collaborating more and no ebe ma ebia sa baby a udie no end no anyway there to be continuous. And the meditum say ABA there are some lapses because ABA immigration for be call out and GIPC. Then we say a company this year or registration. Ultimately this say quickly company we produce way make call produce way Ghana Standards Authority on bam ho. Then quickly we can also do something before even the product comes to the market. Then in that case we can then track and then check say product as an product by market no meet standard. And see, I think collaboration there we need to intensify that.
So and your ma a war market mo. So for example, so we share drinks drinks be wo hwa e wo market a wo no ma won say drink a me no mi pa de e wo drink. It is in the market. We know there's no deny a drinker. Just a standard new koyi. But ya turn for fofo and ye nom and ye o peke sample in koyi. Recently, if you mukra by say tin tomatoes bebre wo market ni mi wo ho a standard no e wo fam ye kan wie ye no ya antihwi bi me no an say o ya chim ko won ye kan ye na nothing happened. And I am very sure say tin tomatoes no it be a some womb a big color womb no and that's what marketer ye di. And so say information be ba say I am thinking say I say you are not your angle or your department may not be doing enough to help us because you can say tin tomatoes we wo mu a yen sem de na ma bonte me kan che say ade we aye toyi enye papa ade we aye toyi to France because FDA approved now, but I am aware. I mean, from me so as an education and academia, no, I know say the first say FDA so agiatum doesn't mean say product na papa say bednum because if you are bednum no, it comes with a lot of implications, and that is where the standard comes in. So why can't we ensure say Ghana ni no our wahano ono de wonum bibia a standard whether anybody na a standard at least for the safety of the person no we are doing that and it transcends even beyond the drinks in this anuma yeke why what system nimu e be a fake phone what system ni e be a fake e be coffee fa nyoma ba ni nyina ye fake e what system nimu is it a standard authority for any say was ade nimu ana
there be enye say e ni see e o sa niam but on say I will start it from drink ebiani awudi weni ebe hu say no and in to me there are things that we check quality wise where by be a physical but there are others which are chemical and ebe here ebia if you be would be check wow and some of these things I want market no this a year ko akoye market surveillance ya to ya ngasa ye to say we behave like customers. Now your top product maybe they are called ear lab aqua testing after na yes take them home. If it's very simple, say they are on the market now, you can quickly see and then caution them now. And most of these things the labels so where you can track or trace the manufacturer. Wow. And see, most of these things I say now with the member security agency say, oh, company say your own tracking say where they because some of the numbers in a label no who fair cry obi in fact wow and see say there are some products on the market like that but we are on it. And then about this electrical cables, because of its way the safety wise, the hazards and all those things are because of that the authority, Ghana Standards Authority, has really invested in that area. As we speak now, we have an equipment in the region for testing electrical cables and then electrical appliances. And there's what we have launched currently, the Ghana Digital Cable Way app. That one, the moment you go to the market, we have started with the local cable manufacturing companies. The moment you scan with your phone, say your original Ebeba. Wow. And so we are starting from somewhere. We are trying to apply technology and all those things to track. We think that's where we can go and then we can track all these sub products on the market. So gradually we are getting there and we will do it.
And I think, sir, 21st century, there are a lot of, I mean, you're a learned person. There are a lot of literature. And you may be it shouldn't be we are because we have a lot in the market. I mean, who drinks in it be ye near Kwame, I don't take soft drinks because I know the danger in those things. But the point is that obekwa ye na obekwa you know ye what the na standard. And as I say sebio obi yenye nim say brand ebia Coca-Cola or whatever e wo hodada. But we've seen a lot of other drinks ye the cola na atoto to so anase ye the Fanta na atoto so anase say ni say. But unim say ade na kawanum drink na wonum ye no aka wonum ada wonum ade na call system ni the amount of sugar in the system. As we speak, Donald Trump in America now saying, or say, oh, soft drink companies, you know, they should now start using sugar, which is sugar cane extracts, which is a natural sugars. Now, omufanya de omude you know. Recently in America, the issue of opioid, you can see the painkillers in Nasifui. It's so dangerous. It was killing people. A lot of things. You raise these issues, and we will talk about it. Yebe will radio, so you know, it is still in the system. So I get frustrated, kakra, when we say, "Oh, you go so," and yet to see, can't we stop it with an advanced technology? What is so difficult to do? Say, you are standard authority. I buy my machine way. You buy random check of drinks ayeto electric as ye the two and ye faker you arrested because you are selling fake product. What is so difficult about it, sir?
The idea won't start here now, any idea will start here. You have to make sure that you put in the measures. Then yes, I will start here. Ever hit the rock, then you can go forward. So you have to do more education, more training, more sensitization before you take up. In America about cable, you started digital, you launched the app. You started we know about the idea about 2 years back, but this year, and sana yatimiaye, because 1 year, sir, look at our system, the education level and all those things. So who started it now? One taking gradual. And now where you see that with this one is very urgent, and now way you go in that way. You have to study the system. We all know that we don't have a perfect system anyway. Look at our borders. Anything that is passing through our approved borders, our officers are there. They check, do the inspection, and make sure that the product is of quality. They check with the COA or the COC. Now making sure and sana customs are releasing. But you and I, your name say bet me around a flower border home. Or bet me for the other way with product and when flower you can see. So a market no so we are after na ABI obi be kwa kotobi na ohun
no
na complain and na ABI ye crop for no so ko na omoko ye koto a na ya take it.
Doc respectfully. Ye won hyehyeye ase cargos ne cars akese duru ba bia omugina enti yemfa ne se nipa na twa fam aflawo or whatever eye den a wode ba Ashanti region Ashanti region yen nyina nim se wonam kwa mu a ye were a lot of barriers e wo ho ye wo immigration for eduoma so mu cheki enua enti se wo ye nnua ho adwuma na uduru ho a forestry commission for na wo mu wo ho e make sure say e standard. Can't we empower or enforce and ensure say certain places are wo Ashanti region pui say otimi de fa ba bia na odu Ashanti region ko adea whether immigration or whoever say if drink and if certain standard product be a was say yeah and also be for our process na so obi de what do you call it a nearby you know. Is this something so difficult to do? At least you be say you are say because we can say education. You can education, no. Some fake products any benom. It is say 1 year na de be education na. E just say time we be say chinipa no. Na me menya high blood pressure. Na menya diabetes. Na me wu. Na me nyo obesity. Na sugar come system ma mewu. So are we saying say to the time you be education say yento ye boase no. Enkrofo na Anthony enwu. Kopim some be education e wi ana.
Debbie. And yes, and I won't say, I work at barriers and work system where you can check. Even in developed countries, there are products that gets to their market. Afterwards, they do this sampling before they pick it up, and then some of them they even inform if it's coming from Ghana. No, my informing Ghana government through Ministry of Trade. Now, yeah, some years back, I see what cocoa beans, I see what tomatoes, and yama yedi call all those things estimacy. And Ghana also is not an exception. And I had him say, build to that even their level with where we can apply this technology. But we have realized that that's where we have to go. Some of these products now we can check at the port anyway. And some of them say product way. Here some analysis. And want to make your physical examination at the barrier no to see a product doesn't meet the standard. This area would be a lab. And now why is some rapid test to be to determine say product then you can let the authorities handle.
Okay, I am just suggesting maybe later on your baby office, but maybe I'm just suggesting. I am thinking say okay, it's very difficult. So we drew barrier on electrical cables, a drink or whatever. Maybe there's supposed to be an app or something. Say FEMA, say immigration or say police na barrier, no medi no cra. They can also share some information with you. Say, every articulator number GS111. Wababa befebia obuase border. Now the product say neighbor, so that at least most more mobile monitor to be aware. Say this particular products are enter, so that at least by the time we be drew hono, and I can number this, so that by the time we be drew hono, money baby or day call, so that you go and check to ensure say it is okay. Maybe I'm just thinking aloud.
Yes, it's true, and that's where we have to go. And that one will be very effective if we are applying the technology, and then we are also collaborating with all other agencies very well. Then we can move in that direction.
Fancy I bet was part 2 or because issue a whole thing to Adaruma. Who time can I be studio and K, but say when you be no phone so sir. But that's when you are training your church in Simu.
No problem.
Abusianti, Dr. Samuel from Punch, I bet was so this standard products because there are a lot of products in the system. And it is dangerous. But your estate house will be tone, and I'm who is an airful. And I'm saying we must scan